Why does my dishwasher stank? Smells like 1987 spaghetti and mangled peanut butter. What am I to do? Number one, I'm gonna make sure all my stuff is scraped before it goes into the dishwasher. Number two, what is that? Ugh, I did not expect that. Number three, I'm gonna avoid sticky stuff like peanut butter and strawberry smoothies. And if you live in the Dallas-Fort Worth area and it's beyond cleaning out your dishwasher and you got a real plumbing or HVAC problem, give us a call. We're happy to come out and help. No dispatch fees, no salespeople. We're locally, family-owned, transparent pricing, just simple, fast, fair, fixed. BillyGo.com.